Hello, and thank you for watching. My name is Rachel Barnett with Gentle Frog. I'm here to create videos for you to help you understand QuickBooks slightly better than you currently do. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please put them in the chat box. Thank you.
In this video, I want to respond to a question that somebody had, and I thought if I showed you the question, it'd make it easier. So the original video is how to record your payment processor fees in Stripe. If I scroll down, this person says, hey, look, my client has a bunch of fees. Is there a way that I can get all those fees and record them all at once? My answer is it really depends on your office policy. But if this is something that you want to know how to do, I'm going to show you using my Stripe account. So let me show you. Okay, so you want to start by logging into your Stripe account or your client's Stripe account. You're going to go to Balances on the left-hand side of your screen. Once you're in Balances, you want to go to the third tab across the top that says Payouts. This is going to show you a list of your payouts. You don't really care what your payouts are. That's not your question. Your question is, how much is the fees for a given date range? What I found is the easiest way for me, and there's probably other ways, is that I go to the right-hand side and I click on Export. It's then going to ask me what date range do I want. So let's pick last month. Down below, it asks me which columns do I want. I really could look at these and say, oh, yeah, that includes what I want. But I just do the easy thing. I say, show me all the columns and I will review and decide what I want. I'm then going to click Export in the lower right-hand corner. When I click Export, it's going to export and show me my transactions or my payouts. In my case, for my account, I just have it deposit the money every Friday. So this is just going to show you 4 payouts for the month because I'm doing it weekly, not daily. What you want to do is look over to the right. Column W, and I black this out, but in column W, it shows you the payment fees. You could very easily just total up whatever this column is and say, okay, that's my fees for last month. Now I'm going to record them in QuickBooks. If you're uncertain how to record it, it's going to be a debit to your fees account and a credit to your income account. The money that you received was less the fees, so you need to increase your income and then increase your fees because you didn't get that money. Thank you so much for watching. If there's anything my team or I can do for you, let me know. I offer one-on-one training. I create these videos based on what I think people want and what people actually ask for. Within our firm, we offer bookkeeping courses and mentoring to new bookkeepers. Even if I can't help you, if you let me know what you want, I might be able to connect you to the right person. If I can do anything or if I can connect you, please don't hesitate to let me know. Thanks and have a great day.